Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F25 error and you're wondering what's going on and how can you fix this. Is there anything you can do to get rid of it? So this error is an error in the sensor that senses how fast things are spinning. So before you get this error even, you might have noticed that your washing machine started to shake and jump around. And that's because the machine was unable to properly control how fast it was spinning. And the reason it was unable to control how fast it was spinning is that it was unable to properly sense how fast it was spinning. So like with all of these sensor errors, the error could be with the sensor, it could be with the wiring to the sensor, or it could be on the control board itself that's not able to properly communicate or interpret information with the tachometer. So the hierarchy of steps that you want to do here is to check your wiring to your tachometer and make sure nothing is frayed or damaged or anything like that. The next thing to do would be to replace it, and then after that, if that doesn't fix it, you're going to actually need to replace the control board. But again, like if you're just a homeowner with this error, sorry to break you the bad news, but you're just going to need to call a technician. Anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.